it's Liz from Old Stables Crafts. I hope you are having a good day. So you will have guessed from the title that I have got some fairly major news in that I am leaving Stampin' Up. And I want to make sure that the rumour mongers don't get ahead of this and start making up why I'm going. I have had some health issues for the last few months, year plus. It was why I couldn't go to Mexico for the incentive trip. And since the beginning of this year, I have been trying to do less in my Stampin' Up business to see if that will help my health. Sadly, that has not been enough. And I have been finding it increasingly frustrating that I've not been able to do what I feel I need to do for my team and my customers. Without my team and my customers, I could not have achieved what I have achieved with Stampin' Up. I've been with the company for 8 years and I have worked really hard, but my team and my customers have supported me through that. And that is why I have achieved what I've managed to achieve. I've cut back on team meetings. I've not been doing as much with customers as I want to do. And I just feel that it's wrong. I found it really difficult to be doing less than I think I should. So the right decision is for me to step away properly and resign from Stampin' Up. There would have been the alternative of just not doing anything and letting my Stampin' Up business fizzle out. But I don't feel that that's fair on either my customers or, more importantly, my team, because it would mean that they had fewer choices about what they do. But because if I resign, they get additional choices and better timeframes in which to do things. It feels like it's the right thing to actually resign and not just stop doing anything. I hope I've explained that correctly. I will still be crafting. I will still probably be using Stampin' Up products. I may well rejoin Stampin' Up in a few months as a happy shopper, but I would not be running a business. I would just be part of the community. But yeah, I will still be doing videos. I will still be crafting. I will be doing scrapbooking and sewing and knitting and all sorts of things. And some of those I will be sharing on videos. So if you enjoy general crafting videos that are not necessarily just Stampin' Up products, by all means, come and join me for them. You may find them better than being limited to Stampin' Up products. But I do love the products. I love the colour coordination. I am really happy with the Stampin' Up business model. Anything that requires you to work in order to earn team commission, I think is a good thing. And in order to earn commission from Stampin' Up because of what your team do, you have to work hard. And the harder you work, the more you can earn from Stampin' Up because you're supporting your team and they are therefore running a business as well. It is not pyramid selling. Let it be said, it is not pyramid selling. That is a whole other way of doing business. But I have genuinely enjoyed my time with Stampin' Up, and I am really sad that I have had to come to the decision that I think is the correct one, and that is to hand in my resignation. So I must thank customers, my team. I have spoken with my team, obviously. I've sent an email to my customers. They know exactly what's going to happen over the next few weeks. And I will be emailing some Stampin' Up staff who I have built relationships with to let them know my news. And I will miss them. I have made some really good friends amongst both Stampin' Up staff and other Stampin' Up demonstrators. And it's because of that that I may well rejoin Stampin' Up, but as a happy shopper. It's the right time for me to start looking after me, putting my health first, spending more time with my husband. We're neither of us getting any younger, and we need to spend quality time together. So, yeah, I'm excited for Stampin' Up's future. You may have read that there was a company close to my heart who operated in North America and South Pacific and were a scrapbooking company that ran on a very, very similar basis to Stampin' Up. Stampin' Up have purchased some of their stock, some of their designs. They have offered to absorb some of the equivalent of demonstrators. And what's really exciting, as I am really a scrapbooker at heart, they're going to be doing more scrapbooking. So I'm really excited to see what new scrapbooking products come from Stampin' Up. And yeah, getting the chance to use them will be something to look forward to. But in the meantime, as I say, I will continue to do YouTube videos. I have got to clear out my craft room because there's a lot of stuff in there that is retired. So if you're in the UK and are looking for a bargain, there's a link to a Facebook group in the description bar below here. You may want to go and have a look. I haven't even scratched the surface on listing everything that I've got yet, so keep your eyes peeled. Anyway, as I say, from the end of July, I will not be a Stampin' Up demonstrator. I will still be around on YouTube and my blog will still be going, but I just won't be selling anything. So, yes, thank you very much indeed for all your support, and I hope to see you again in the future using all sorts of products and sharing all sorts of craft. So thank you very much indeed. And if there are any rumours flying around about why I'm leaving Stampin' Up, hopefully this will put those to rest. It is purely a personal decision based on my current health issues. I have no issue whatsoever with Stampin' Up or their product. I think the quality is amazing, the colour coordination is amazing, and the people are amazing as well. So thank you very much indeed, and I hope to see you again very soon. Bye for now.